Hello and welcome to this video tutorial of the VirtualX e-learning platform. In this video tutorial, I'll be taking you through how to register on the e-learning platform as a student. So to access the platform, you can open your web browser. In this case, I'll be using Google Chrome. So open it up and then you type the VirtualX e-learning platform website, which is virtualx.tv, and then you open the home page of the platform. So the home page of the platform opens up, and if you are a new user to the platform, you'll have to register. If you are an existing user, you'll click on the login button. In this case, we'll be creating a new user, assuming that this is the first time that you are logging onto the platform, and that new user will be the student. So then you can click on register. So if you click on register, the registration page opens up and it shows you the relevant details that you're supposed to enter to register as a new user. So we are going to go through each detail and enter them for this new particular user. So under username, because this is a student, I'll give this user student. That's going to be the username. Maybe let's make it a capital. Then the email address of the student for this particular case is going to be student@vxtv.africa. It's important to note that in this section you can enter your own personal email address. So if you have a Gmail email address, you can simply put it here. It will be accepted on the platform. However, in this case, this is the email address that the student is currently using. So I'm going to choose a password for the student. I'm just going to keep it simple for now. I've entered the password and then now I have to confirm the password. Enter it there. Now that I've entered the password, then it's going to ask me what account am I creating, and the current account. To choose the particular account that you are creating, you can click on the drop down and then it shows you the type of account that you can create. So since you are a student, you can then click on student, and then we are going to go ahead and put in the name of the student. So in this section, you need to put in your real name and surname that you use in your class. So in this case, the name that I will select for this user is student. This is because this is just an example user. And then for the surname, I'll just select school. But in your case, you'll have to put in the name and surname that you are registered in at school. It has to be your real name. So then your phone number is also required. This is important for authentication information, verifying who you are, as well as to be able to be in contact with you should anything happen to the platform and you can't access the platform or your email address. You can be contacted via your cell phone number. So here I'm just gonna put in a random cell phone number, and this is the cell phone number that I will select. And then it's important that you select the region that you are in. In this case, we are in South Africa, so you have to select South Africa and then click for authentication and verification purposes, and let's just select the required pictures. So in this section will always be different for you, and just pay attention to what is required to make sure that it's correct, and then you can verify. All right, so if we just check, all the relevant information has been entered on the platform. The username that we select is student. Maybe let's make this one student1, so that it's different from the name. And then this is the email address which is required. As I said, again, this could be your Gmail account or any other email address that you are using. This is your password that you're using for the platform. Then you need to select the type of account that you are registering. In this case, you are a student, and and then you need to put in your real name over here. This is the name that you use at school, as well as your surname. Enter your cell phone number for contact purposes and verification purposes. Enter the region that you are in, and also verify, and also do the verification. Then you can complete the sign up. So now that the sign up has been completed, the platform will then prompt you to verify or activate your account on your personal email address. So right now I'm going to go to the email address account that I used when I was registering, and there I will find a link that will then activate my account on the platform, and then I'll show you how you view your account on your platform and log into the platform.